It is my favorite time of the month. It is most loved time. I am sharing tons of new Amazon home decor. Almost all of it is under $50 and I think you are going to love it. Plus, I'm gonna show you how I styled it in my own home so that you have inspiration for your own space. Before I do that though, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I will say that everything is linked down in the description box and pinned in the comments. All you have to do is find the number and you can find the coordinating item down below. Let's start shopping. So the first thing I picked up is actually this set of 3 gold metal boxes. You get a large size, a medium size, and a small size, and I use the small on my coffee table. The real beautiful thing about this is that this is a very high quality latch and you can store absolutely anything in here. I store all of my remotes and tech equipment here so that I can easily access it, but I can still have a rather messy coffee table, just no one has to know. The only downside of this I've seen so far is when you put a drink on it, which you are not supposed to do, it does leave a little bit of a ring, but I will say I left that drink there for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. So don't do that. But besides that, I just love these. Now I also picked up this bowl. If you're looking at stores like Restoration Hardware and Our House, you know that bowls like this are trending big time. Now this bowl is a fraction of the price as the ones you'd find online, and that's actually because it is hollow on the inside. So you can hear it's very hollow in the inside, but it's not that heavy ceramic that you'd see at an Our House or a Pottery Barn, which is why you're able to get this a lot more affordably. I've been very happy with this. You can use this for your keys in your entryway, I guess for mail if you wanted to. This is not food safe though, so I wouldn't necessarily use this in the kitchen, though you could use this for your Nespresso pods or something like that. Now, if I want to literally or figuratively elevate my candles, I like to use this bowl for that. So I'll just put my candle in here and it's kind of like a nice pedestal for the candle. This is also great if you wanted to put like decorative moss here or succulents. You could build something around the candle or just leave it as is and use it as kind of like a nice little statement bowl. I believe it also comes in black, but I'm very happy with this cream color. You can see it relative to the buckets underneath and the coffee table. It truly is a cream and not a white. Now I have such a hard time with flowers. I'll tell you, my brother-in-law, he went out of town for the holidays. He asked me to watch his plants and I took care of that bonsai like my life depended on it, and it lost so many leaves because we don't get good sunlight despite all of these beautiful windows. So I'm always on the hunt for great faux florals, and you are too. And flowers are a great way to get some color into your home, even if you like a more neutral color palette. So these are wonderful. These are faux tulips, and I just think they look so incredibly realistic. They have this really nice sheath, so I think this is what really helps it look super realistic because you're not just looking at this waxy portion. They do come in many different colors, but I think purple is a wonderful color because purple is a color that people really struggle to implement into the color scheme, but it really packs a punch. It also super realistic with the feel of the weaves. It has a waxy coating on the outside that just feels so luxe. One of the best tips I can give you for making faux florals look real is to just arrange them at different heights. You can bend them, you can cut them, whatever, but arrange them at different heights and it really helps you get that realistic look. And if you put it in a vase like this that's not see-through, you have no idea if they're in water or not. When you put them in something that's actually see-through, you can see that there's no water or that there's resin in there, contributing to kind of a more faux look. One of the most affordable ways to mix up your style is via textiles, and the purpose of a pillow, a throw pillow, is to repeat a color, pattern, or texture that's already in your home to make your sofa feel like a unit or like one with the rest of your space. So I found this is a set of 2 curly pillows. So it comes in this lumbar size. It also comes in like an 18 by 18, which is actually pretty small. But what I love about this is it's a really tight curl. It doesn't just look like cheap Sherpa. This to me looks very, very expensive. This is how tight the curls are up close. I just love it. And the zipper is hidden really, really well in this groove here. You can see it's nice and light colored, but I think these just kind of exude luxury. And again, they come in a cream and a gray as well in case brown is not in your color palette. But getting something with robust textures like this lets you cut down overall on the decor that you're getting because this does so much. Now, this was the #1 bestseller on Amazon this month for me. And it is this chair, but this chair was $168 and it is so high quality and it actually has solid wood legs. And to take this to the next level, I draped this wonderful blanket from Amazon on top. This is a brown knit throw. It has a very slight pattern to it. People are loving it. If you want something more lightweight, this is a great option for you. It comes in so many different colors. I've had clients get it in green and cream and really love it. It is just very lightweight. It's not the perfect winter blanket, I will say that, but I think if you're looking for something affordable to drape, that is great. And then I also picked up this round pillow because you guys are always asking me for pillows that are atypical in shape. So this is a sphere-shaped pillow. It is almost a perfect color match to this chair, and it takes a second to inflate. So be aware of that. It takes a second to inflate, but this is great for getting a more modern pillow arrangement if that's something that you're looking for. Plus the dog loves playing with it. And if you're looking to add some task lighting to your home, you're going to love this lamp. So for years we've been talking about the Obright task lamp, and this is actually just by the same brand. This is the Cedric task lamp, and it is swivel and height adjustable. It doesn't have the same light adjustment as the other one, so if you're looking for variations in light, pick up the other one. I'll show you that one too, but this one is really fantastic if you want a more industrial look. It's a really great option for someone looking to divide a room without a traditional room divider, and it's super affordable, coming in at under $70. And it does come in both this brass color and in black, so whatever you need, you can get the color that you'd like. And there's almost always a coupon on this, so add this to your cart and watch it because the quality is unreal. Now, this blanket has been one of the most highly discussed items on my YouTube channel in the most recent months. This is a faux fur blanket from Amazon. It comes in white, it comes in brown, and a gray as well. This is the white with a brown detailing. It has a velvet interior and then a fur exterior, which means that even if you like the feel of faux fur, maybe you sometimes just want to feel it on the outside, or you like the look, this way you get something nice and soft against your skin. And you can put this in the laundry. It said dry clean only. I've put mine through the laundry and it's been perfectly fine. So I have a king size bed, and it drapes just about all the way across the base of the bed, give or take maybe 5 inches or so. So if you have a queen size bed or a full size bed, you can really use this as a bedspread. That is something that I can imagine trending big time, just using faux fur or fur, if that's what you're into, as a full bedspread, because it adds so much texture that you don't have to do much else. Another hot new bedding item is this pillow. So I love the fringe. That is really what separates something that's luxe from something that's more affordable or cheap looking. Not affordable, because there's nothing wrong with something being affordable, but it's this fringe. So this is a set of 2 for the price, and it comes in so many different colors. If you're into more modern spaces like I am, it can be nice to kind of run with one color. So you see my bedding is green, and just kind of layering different shades and tones of that color. So that's what I did here with these. And the zipper is hidden so well that I literally cannot find it. And I got them in the 26 by 26 for a nice oversized look. This is probably as close as I've gotten to finding a Wamsutta alternative. We have this set of striped sheets. They are super soft. They've been washed twice before, and I don't see any pilling yet. The striping is very, very, very similar to what you would see in a luxury hotel. The only complaint I have about these is that they are a little bit sheer. So if you have a colorful pillow underneath or something, you will be able to see that. But this comes with a top sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 shams. Now, if you are looking for an alternative to maybe organic cotton or something you would get from Crate and Barrel, you are in luck. So the brand Bedshore has sheets, and you can see the color match with their sheets and the Crate and Barrel. It is nearly identical. These are by far one of my favorite sheets so far. It's a nice organic cotton, so it looks like linen without having as many wrinkles as linen. It's very easy to maintain and soft on the skin. You also don't have that like really rough texture that you get with linen, so you have the look, but with a more luxurious, relaxing feel. So I love these. I got them in the green. I did order the coordinating duvet and I love that as well. You've seen that on my bed before. It comes in like a dark brown color, but I cannot recommend this enough. And if you're looking to upgrade a nightstand or a side table, you're going to love this valet tray. It comes with this actual chargeable pad. So if you have an iPhone or an Apple device, you can charge your phone like this. Honestly, it might work with other brands too, but it's really phenomenal because you just take your phone and you're able to sit it there, it'll start charging, and then you have places for things like your jewelry or your medication or other things you might take off in the middle of the night. And it really just blends into your nightstand and stops you from having to have cords absolutely everywhere. You are going to love these coasters. So I've talked about these before because we have a bath mat like this, but this is made out of diatomaceous earth. And I love that they're cream. They're often gray, and I don't like the color gray, but I'm going to show you how magnificent these things are. Basically, when you have some water, it will absorb the water almost instantly. And you can see the absorption happening in real time. So you don't have to worry about ruining your furniture because it all ends up on this coaster. And for years, you've been asking me about an acrylic table display, and I found this one for you this month. It is only $34, and it is comparable to my one from Pottery Barn. Basically, you will take a book and you will display it like so. So this is great if you're reading something and you find an inspiration image in there or a piece of art that you want to put on display. This is especially good for coffee tables. I love it. It's very easy to wipe down, obviously because it's acrylic, but it's just the best way to mix up your coffee table or console styling because you'll be doing something that not everyone else is doing. And it's a great way to get free, luxurious art. And speaking of storage, I came across these amazing storage containers, and if you haven't seen my organization video for messy people, you're definitely going to want to check it out. But I found this 25 set of organization containers that you are just going to love. They come with non-slip pads, but I think the grip on the bottom is so good I don't even need them, and they fit perfectly in this nightstand. And until recently, I never thought that I could find another good candle on Amazon again, and you're always asking me for great scents, and I found this one. You're probably thinking, why is Kiva showing me this dirty candle? And the reason I'm doing that is because it is actually a skincare treatment. So not only do you burn this, but you're able actually to pour it on your skin and moisturize. I hate moisturizing. It is probably my least favorite thing to do, but this makes it so simple because it's nice and warm and it feels like you're at the spa. So you can see I've been moisturizing a ton, but this smells amazing. This is the lavender scent. And it is just so warm, so cozy, and it fills up my entire bedroom. Now that the holidays are over, you probably have loads of family photos that you want to get up on the wall. And if you're looking for some good frames, these are wonderful. These are from Amazon and they're square frames, and they come with this very thick and luxurious mat. They have hinges on the back for you to hang them. You can also just hang them straight from the frame, and I've done that without any bowing at all, which is incredible. They come in black, silver, and gold, and I am simply obsessed. This is a great way to get that gallery wall up that you've always been thinking about doing without breaking the bank. They remind me so much of the ones from Pottery Barn, but at a fraction of the price. I personally am a huge fan of cord management, but once I do it, I only want to do it once. And I hate having a million apps on my phone. I think it's so cumbersome, and I'm sure some of you feel the same way. I shared this in my $1,000 Amazon haul, so if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out, but I'm obsessed. You get 5 smart plugs and 2 remotes, and look, incredible. The range on this is so good that the lights in my living room also just turned off. I know that for a fact, but they're wonderful. They turn all of your lights on, and what's really great about them is that you can actually turn on one light or all 5 lights at once. So you can control them independently and also as a unit, which I think is so high end, and they rarely do that. This is kind of like a Philips Hue dupe, but for way less. And if you are hating those prices on heat and you want to have a little bit of ambiance, of course you can get this large fire pit. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is so welcoming when I come in the bedroom, and it really heats up the place. Plus it does come with a snuffer, so you can put it out when you want to, but it just is perfect. Plus if you're roasting marshmallows or hot dogs, or you're just having family over and want the kind of camping feel indoors, these are just perfect. Having a clean bathroom all the time is just impossible, but if you're into those clean skin club towels like I am, I love to put them in here like this. This is just a tissue container that reminds me of Jonathan Adler, and they sit in there. It makes skincare super easy, and we're not left looking at that ugly, bulky box. Same thing goes with this hand sculpture, which accommodates our toothbrushes and our toothpaste, though someone forgot to put it back. And we have this really awesome marble tray over there for all of our toiletries, so that if we want to do skincare out in the living room or out here, we can really easily carry it from room to room. One of the best pieces of advice I ever got was to actually make your skincare movable. And if you're looking to achieve that restoration hardware, look for less, which you probably are because you're here, you're gonna love these mirrors. So they're by the brand Ashley, and they are so similar to the Thaddeus mirrors from RH. I believe they're 6 feet tall. I have them in my bathroom. They are so heavy, but they're incredibly luxurious. They come in this color, silver, and black. So if you're looking for a new mirror for your entryway above your console, or a mirror just to see how you're doing and you want something with a little bit more texture, this is a great way to go. And if you've ever wanted to really hone in on your skincare and get one of those mirrors, I picked up this one. I did mount it upside down, but it is USB rechargeable, so no hardwiring necessary. And it does 3 different types of light, and it's great for looking at yourself, making sure you've put on your makeup correctly, and so forth. But I also picked up this candle warmer, which is perfect for the kitchen. If you find yourself with scents you don't like in the kitchen, you kind of want to mask them and you want something a little bit more appealing, this is wonderful. It has a timer, 3 different power settings, so you never have to worry about forgetting to light a candle. And this way you're able to really infuse your home with a scent without unevenly burning your candle or having to find a lighter. So many of you have been looking for washable rugs for the kitchen, and I knew that you'd love this. So this is by the brand Revival. They have their own website, but they also sell here on Amazon. And this cream rug is so luxurious. It gives me great support when I'm standing in the kitchen doing my chopping and my cutting. Plus, if it gets a stain on it, you can just dab it clean, but you can also put it in your washing machine to get clean. Now, if you cook with wine or you like to drink wine, this wine opener is an arthritic person's dream come true. It is incredible how easily this pops the cork off. It requires no effort at all, and it is USB rechargeable, so you don't have to find any batteries. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Those were the January bestsellers from Amazon. All of these products are super high quality, affordable, and they're going to make living in your home so much easier and so much more luxurious. To pick up any of the products I shared in today's video, just head down to my description box where everything is linked. I appreciate you being here. I can't wait to see you on the next one. Until next time, have a beautiful day.